Hey, what's up? Welcome to my e-learning channel, Excel Master. I'm back with my new video on data sorting. In this video, I'm gonna cover all topics about data sorting. So watch the video till the end, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and subscribe it for more videos on Excel. Here we go. Why do we use sorting and how does it help us on Excel? Sorting helps us to quickly reorganize worksheet. For example, you could reorganize a list of contact information by last name. The whole content can be sorted alphabetically, numerically, and in many other ways. In our example, we will sort the t-shirt order from alphabetically by last name, that is column I2, column H2. Select the data. First, we need to select a cell in the column you want to sort by. In our example, we will select cell H2. Select the data tab on the ribbon. Then click the ascending command to sort A to Z. A to Z. We'll click on the ascending command. As you can see, the order is changed into ascending. So we have seen how to sort with the last name. Now we'll move on to custom sorting. Basically, what the custom sorting is, sometimes you may find that the default sorting options can't sort data in the order you need. Fortunately, Excel allows you to create a custom list to define your own sorting order. Here comes the custom sort into picture. In our example below, we want to sort the worksheet by t-shirt size. A regular sort would organize the sizes alphabetically, which would be incorrect. Instead, we'll create a custom list to sort from smallest to largest. So this is the t-shirt size which we want to sort. First, click on the cell in the column which you need to sort. Then select the data tab. Click the sort command. The sort box will appear. Select the column you want to sort by, then choose custom list from the order field. In our example, we will choose to sort by t-shirt size. So if you see here, select the sort by as t-shirt size, values will be values, order will be custom list. Click OK. I have already sorted this, but just to show you, I'll delete this for now, and then I'll click on the new list and enter the entries: small, medium, large, and extra large. Once you have entered all the values, you just need to click on add and then click OK. Now if you see, the t-shirt size is showing the values from medium, large, X large, and then small. It is again showing you the basic ascending order. As we already sorted the data with last name, in the custom list the small is appearing in the bottom because we have already sorted the data with the last name. So rest all, if you can see, medium, large, and then XL, X large is again the same. In this way we can create a custom sort, and then we can have the data. Now let's moving on to the adding multiple levels to any sort. So in our example, we will sort the worksheet by home room number, by then last name. So how do we do that? First, click any cell in the table and then go to the data tab, click on sort command. Once you are up here, you need to add level. As you can see, we are sorting with the home room number, then by last column, last name. The sort by will be the room number and then by last name. Room numbers we are sorting from smallest to largest, and the last name from A to Z. Once you set this, just click on OK and you see the room numbers will be in increasing order and the last name will be from A to Z. In this way we can sort multiple levels and apply it to any column. Moving on to the next phase, if you want to highlight the colored font in the cells, we can also use the sort command to highlight those colored font cells. How do we do that? Click on the data which you want to select and then go to data, click on sort command. Here you need to delete, these are the previous sort levels we mentioned. Delete those two levels, add a new level, sort by payment method, because we want to highlight these red colored cells which are payment pending. So quickly go on to sort command, go here, delete those two, add level, sort by payment method, values will be the cell color. Oh, it's a font color. And from automatic you need to select the red, because here it's only one color. Whatever the color is available in the table, it will show you in the column, that will show you. So and we need all these red font colored data at the top, so we select top. We have option here on top and on bottom. Go with on top and click OK. You can see that all these are highlighted and at the top. In this way the sorting levels can be used. The data sorting is a very great tool in Excel. You can always explore very much new things in data sorting. This comes, you can always go ahead and try with new things at home. Open an existing Excel workbook. If you want, you can use our practice workbook. Sort a worksheet in ascending order or descending order. You can sort a cell range. You can add a level to the sort and sort it by cell color, font color, or cell icon. If you are using the example, add a second level to the sort by cell color in the column E. And you can do much more homework. Just go on through this video. These are the major three uses of the data sorting, this sort command. So I think that brings to the end of this video, and if you have any suggestions or any comments,